Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful natural liver detoxifiers on the planet, beets. If you have a fatty liver, high liver enzymes, or you're dealing with chronic inflammation, beets can transform your liver health in ways that might surprise you. Most people think beets are just a weird vegetable that tastes like dirt, but the truth is, beets contain unique compounds that support liver detoxification better than almost any other food. I'm going to explain exactly how beets work to clean and heal your liver, and I'll give you the best way to use them for maximum results. Let me explain what's really happening inside your liver and why it needs help. Your liver is the main detoxification organ in your body. Every single day, it filters 50 gallons of blood, removing toxins, chemicals, drugs, hormones, and waste products. It's working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever taking a break. But modern life has created an impossible burden on your liver. We're exposed to thousands of toxic chemicals that didn't exist 100 years ago. Pesticides, herbicides, plastics, heavy metals, prescription medications, food additives, and environmental pollutants. Your liver was never designed to handle this level of toxic exposure. Over time, these toxins start to accumulate. Your liver becomes sluggish and congested. Fat starts building up inside liver cells, creating a condition called fatty liver. Inflammation develops, which leads to scarring and eventually cirrhosis if left untreated. Most people have no idea their liver is struggling because there are very few symptoms in the early stages. By the time you feel pain or notice yellowing of your skin, the damage is already severe. This is why it's so important to actively support your liver with the right nutrients. Beets contain a unique combination of compounds that specifically help your liver detoxify and regenerate. The two main compounds are betaine and betalains, which are the pigments that give beets their deep red color. Now let's talk about the warning signs that your liver needs detoxification support. If you feel tired and sluggish all the time, especially after eating, your liver is overwhelmed. If you have a large belly or you've gained weight around your midsection, you likely have a fatty liver. If you have high cholesterol or high triglycerides, your liver isn't processing fats correctly. If you have skin problems like acne, eczema, psoriasis, or itchy skin, toxins are backing up in your liver and coming out through your skin. If you have hormonal imbalances like PMS, heavy periods, or low testosterone, your liver isn't breaking down excess hormones. If you have digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or gallstones, your liver isn't producing enough bile. If you bruise easily or have problems with blood clotting, your liver function is compromised. If you have dark circles under your eyes, brain fog, or chemical sensitivities, your liver is too toxic to function properly. All of these symptoms point to liver congestion and poor detoxification. The good news is that your liver has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate if you give it the right support. Beets are one of the most powerful tools for liver regeneration. So how do beets actually work to detoxify your liver? First, beets contain betaine, which is also called trimethylglycine or TMG. Betaine is a methyl donor, which means it supports a critical detoxification pathway in your liver called methylation. Methylation is how your liver neutralizes and eliminates toxins, heavy metals, and excess hormones. Without enough betaine, this pathway slows down and toxins accumulate. Betaine also protects your liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. It prevents fat from building up in your liver by helping your liver cells process and export fat properly. Studies show that betaine can significantly reduce liver enzymes, shrink fatty liver, and even reverse early-stage liver damage. Second, beets contain betalains, which are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These pigments give beets their red color, and they have been shown to reduce inflammation in the liver, protect liver cells from damage, and support the production of glutathione. Glutathione is your liver's master antioxidant. It's the most important molecule for detoxification. Your liver uses glutathione to bind to toxins and neutralize them so they can be eliminated safely. When glutathione levels are low, your liver becomes overwhelmed and toxins start damaging your cells. Beets boost glutathione production, giving your liver more firepower to detoxify. Third, beets are high in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide improves blood flow to your liver, allowing it to filter blood more efficiently. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery and better nutrient delivery to liver cells. This supports liver regeneration and healing. Fourth, beets contain fiber, which binds to toxins in your digestive tract and helps eliminate them through your stool. This prevents toxins from being reabsorbed back into your bloodstream and recirculating to your liver. Now, let me give you the best ways to use beets for liver detoxification. The first option is to eat cooked beets. Steaming or roasting beets preserves most of their beneficial compounds while making them easier to digest. Eat half a cup to 1 cup of cooked beets 3 to 4 times per week. You can add them to salads, eat them as a side dish, or blend them into soups. The second option is to drink beet juice. Fresh beet juice is extremely concentrated and powerful for liver detox. But you need to be careful because beet juice is also high in natural sugars. If you're insulin resistant, pre-diabetic, or have blood sugar issues, too much beet juice can spike your blood sugar. I recommend diluting your beet juice with water or mixing it with other low-sugar vegetables like celery, cucumber, and lemon. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of beet juice 2 to 3 times per week. The third option, and this is my favorite, is to take beetroot powder. Beetroot powder is concentrated, easy to use, and you can add it to water, smoothies, or meals. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons per day provides all the betaine and betalains you need for liver support. Look for organic beetroot powder with no additives or fillers. The fourth option is to take betaine as a supplement. You can find betaine HCl or betaine anhydrous in capsule form. This gives you the active compound without the sugar content of beets. Take 500 to 1,000 milligrams of betaine per day to support liver detoxification and methylation. Here are some additional tips to maximize your liver detox with beets. First, combine beets with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Cruciferous vegetables contain sulforaphane, which activates phase 2 detoxification pathways in your liver. The combination of beets and cruciferous vegetables creates a powerful 1-2 punch for liver cleansing. Second, take milk thistle along with beets. Milk thistle contains silymarin, which protects liver cells from damage and supports liver regeneration. The combination of betaine from beets and silymarin from milk thistle is incredibly effective for healing fatty liver and reversing liver damage. Third, make sure you're drinking enough water. Your liver needs water to flush out toxins. Drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, more if you're actively detoxing. Fourth, reduce your toxic load. Stop eating processed foods, seed oils, and sugar. These foods create inflammation and fat accumulation in your liver. Switch to a clean diet based on whole foods, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Fifth, support your bile production. Your liver makes bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. If your bile flow is sluggish, toxins get backed up in your liver. Take bile salts or TUDCA to support healthy bile flow. Sixth, do intermittent fasting. Fasting gives your liver a break from digestion and allows it to focus on detoxification and healing. Even a simple 16-hour fast can dramatically improve liver function. Here's what you can expect when you start using beets to detox your liver. Within 1 week, you'll notice more energy and less fatigue after meals. Your digestion will improve. Within 2 weeks, your skin will start clearing up. Acne, rashes, and itchiness will decrease as your liver starts eliminating toxins more efficiently. Within 1 month, you'll notice significant improvements in your overall health. Your belly will shrink as fat leaves your liver. Your cholesterol and triglycerides will improve. Your hormones will balance. Within 3 months, if you combine beets with a healthy diet and intermittent fasting, you can reverse fatty liver and restore your liver function to optimal levels. Your liver enzymes will normalize. Your energy will be better than it's been in years. The key is consistency. Use beets regularly, support your liver with the right lifestyle changes, and give your body time to heal. The bottom line is this: your liver is working harder than ever to keep you healthy in a toxic world. Beets provide unique compounds that support liver detoxification, reduce inflammation, and help your liver regenerate. Add beets to your diet, reduce your toxic load, and watch your health transform. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone dealing with liver problems or chronic health issues. This information can change lives. Share this video with your loved ones so they can benefit from it too.